To multiply one number by another, initially set the 10 index on the inner scale against the first number of the calculation on the outer scale. Next, locate the second number of the calculation on the inner scale and read off the answer opposite it on the outer scale. Remember that you'll need to make a rough estimate of the answer to establish where the decimal point will be. We'll try an example. Let's multiply 6.5 by 29. 6 multiplied by 30 equals 180, so the answer will be roughly 180. Set the 10 index on the inner scale against 6.5 on the outer scale, and read off the answer on the outer scale opposite 29 on the inner scale. The correct answer is 188.5. Note that using the cursor can sometimes help you to read the answer more precisely.